Most of the students are worried about to read the 200 to 300 pages of PDF for their exam. You have an exam but don't have time to watch 4 hours of YouTube video. This tool help for your exam. If you are student, teacher and any other profession, this tool is very helpful to you to write an entrance exams or your semester exam. Let's explore this. Notebook LM. Open your favorite browser and search for Notebook LM. The first link appears and click on it. The UI looks like this and click on Try Notebook LM and log in with your Google account. Ask sign up. I already logged in. You see here, create a new button and click on it. It asks add sources like files, PDFs, and etc. You can also upload from your computer also from Google Drive like Google Docs, Google Slides. For example, you have a multiple type of resources, but you don't have know which one choose for this time. You add all resources and get data from all the resources. It explains all. The coolest feature is mind map. In this tool, you can generate a mind maps within fraction of seconds. I have a Python tutorial, but I don't have time to read this all website and copy this link URL and paste here. And it generates a one summary about this website and add one more source, a YouTube link from yeah. This video has 9 hours of lecture, but I don't have time for an exam. You can copy it, just paste here. The it generates you add the two sources. Just click on this, generates the source guide from your YouTube link. It generates a summary about the YouTube video provided us, and you can ask about any doubt in the chat section. You have any doubt from functions, discuss functions. It generates a about functions from both sources. See here. And the coolest feature is called mind map. You see here a button called mind map. Just click on it and it's generating a mind map from the sources. See here the Python program essentials. It generates a mind map from the sources on. Just click on it. It generates a whole mind map for the based on you see here Python program essentials based on two sources. It generates the mind maps from the all sources you provide. You can download it also. Just see here Python and you have so many topics. Easily identify basics and fundamentals. Just click on it. It gives you another mind map and identify variables, naming rules of the variables, starting with letter and underscore and data types. Click on it and it gives the type of data types, put output functions, about functions, data structures like this. You can generate mind maps with fraction of seconds. And it helpful to remember most of the topics in less time. You can download here and click on it. It downloads. See here, the mind map download. By these tools, you can generate FAQs, frequently asked questions. You have an entrance exam, you have a PDFs, but you have multiple questions, multiple types of questions. Just click on FAQ, it generates a document, frequently asked questions from the sources. Just click on it What makes Python preferred language? It generates a questions with answers. See, you see here, they have another three features called study guide, briefing document, and timeline. Just click on study guide and it generates a study guide about the sources you uploaded. Yeah, it generates. It generates a 10 questions with key answers also here. And easy format questions, some key terms like that. You can generate a briefing document and it generates brief document from the sources. Here you see introduction to Python and basic Python elements, data types, type conversion, operators, syntax and indentation, generates like, and you can generate timeline also. Here the timeline for everything you upload a source. You see here, it generates a 70 minutes of audio from our sources. Let's listen. The audio looks like a podcast audio. The two AI agents are talking to each other about the HTMLs and CSS full course for free. Like, let's see.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling a combo that's, well, pretty essential these days. Understanding the basics of web development, specifically HTML, and getting a handle on effective time management.
Yeah, we've got this HTML document and a YouTube transcript on time management.
Yeah.
And the idea is to really pull out the key stuff, right?
Exactly. Give you, the listener, a clear, actionable understanding of both. No getting bogged down.
Right. So it's like foundationals, those cover most basic text styling needs directly in HTML.
What about notes in the code itself for developers?
Comments, you use TM. So N, this won't show up on the page. Super useful for reminders or explaining tricky parts.
You see here, the two AI agents are talking to each other like a podcast. You can see here interactive mode beta. In this mode, you can join the podcast and ask your doubts. Let's see how it works.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling a combo that's, well, pretty essential these days, understanding the basics of web development, specifically HTML, and getting a handle on effective time. Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
How AI tools can assist with HTML development?
Oh, that's a great question. The video we were just referencing actually touches on a couple of key tools you'll need for HTML development.
Yeah, absolutely. It mentioned needing a modern web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. You probably already have one of those.
And the other essential tool it highlighted is a text editor. The video specifically recommended VS Code, which is free software.
It's like a special kind of notepad that helps you write code. It does
Like this, you can join and ask your doubts. Let's see another example.
things like color coding, the different parts of the code.
Oh, go for it.
How can AI be used to generate dynamic HTML content like personalized recommendations or interactive elements?
That's a fantastic question. It gets into some really interesting possibilities with HTML.
Absolutely. Well, HTML itself is a markup language for structure. It works closely with other technologies to create dynamic content.
Think of HTML as the blueprint of a house. It sets up the rooms and the basic layout.
Right. But to have personalized recommendations or interactive elements, you need to add things like JavaScript.
JavaScript is the scripting language that brings web pages to life. It can manipulate the HTML in real time.
So for personalized recommendations, a website might use JavaScript to fetch data based on your past activity.
And then that JavaScript would
Like this, you can join the podcast and ask your doubts. The AI is available in 24/7. See, the interactive mode beta works like this. You have one AI for you to clarify your doubts. You can generate notes, study guide, briefly documents, timeline, etc. Can also and discover yourself also. Here you write any topic about it generates and and you can save this chart also. Click on save note and the note will fill out. Do this for yourself. Go and explore this AI tool and write down the comment which feature you like the most and how's the video. Comment it down. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.